legit had a moment where I thought it was the wrong date. Oh my God. Getting all ready for this long community walk with other dogs to socialize Toby and Bella, and I thought it was the 18th. But no, we're on the right date, 19th. So yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you in a minute. Just driving to pick up my daughter Tony, and we'll check back with you in about 20 minutes. Okay, take it easy. Bye. Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel, Jeep Life and Two Dogs. Here in this video, I'm going to be recording Toby, myself, and Bella going on a community friendship trail walk with other dogs. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you stay tuned throughout the whole video. Like and subscribe and share. And I know there's lots of YouTube videos out there, but all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, because I'm at 497 subscribers. I'm trying so hard to get to 500, then 1,000. So yeah, actually 1,000 is one thumb and 3 fingers. So 1, 0, second 0, and third 0. Yeah. Hello everyone, we're at the Glenridge Quarry Naturalization Site, just close by Rock University. So here we go. And there's my daughter-in-law, Jena, and Ouija. And there's little Bella. And a friend that just decided to start up and join us. Anonymous. I'm gonna call her Anonymous. And then here's Toby. So yeah, we'll be right back. So this whole trail comes in a loop. Goes in a loop?
Yeah, like a circle. Yeah.
Okay, so we're in the beginning stages of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, come on, Toby. You know where else I'd like to do? Is the Bruce Trail. Would you come with me one time? I have nobody, and then I don't want to go on it by myself.
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
This is really pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty when the leaves are red. It is!
Oh, a snake!
Grant and I's second date, we went on a hike.
Walking on. Huh? Oh, that's huge. That makes sure Toby can hear it. Yeah. Those are wasps.
Yeah.
There's Toby. You think I've been living here for how many years and I've never once been on this trail?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even know it existed.
You didn't?
No. Goes to show you how much I pay attention to my community. There's Bella. Gotta watch the ticks. And there's, what's his name?
Weechy.
Weechy. Yeah.
Bless you.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought him.
I know, since I've been living at my grandma's, I've missed him. Nobody takes him home. So he, the dog at my grandma's, his brother, Bear, I try and take him on walks.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't really know how to walk, so he like falls down the stairs every time we like walk out of the
Yeah.
house.
Did he just take a pee or a poo?
He peed. He pooped before we got in here.
He hasn't pooped. He has not pooped. So, I know.
Look at the houses, the bird houses.
This is a good spot for somebody to get married too.
Yeah. I'm actually going up north next weekend for the weekend for my best friends. He said yes for just wanted to say.
Oh wow.
Thanks for coming up for a housewarming party.
Cool. I hear somebody. Cool. This is the Mental Wellness Rock Garden. Very nice. Medical esthetician course.
Oh, that's awesome. Did you do it online? What is that thing? Where is it?
It landed over here. Right,
Bog
the-
field? It's in the middle of nowhere. Like I think it's about a 6-hour drive.
Oh yeah, that's far.
Yeah. I've driven there.
Chickadee, coyotes.
Small brown bats.
Yep.
I have those.
Chickadees.
Bella.
Yes,
With wings.
that
Yeah, Bella with wings.
exactly what she looks like.
Fun fact. All the monarchs. They all attempt to fly to Mexico.
So Jenna's got a fun fact about a monarch. Tell us about it again.
They fly to Mexico after about 2 weeks, and they only live to be about 2 months old.
2 months old. Wow.
I know, it's a surprising fact for me because I thought they'd live much longer than that.
Oh. What'd you say? Yeah. I hear a road. I'm like, where is this road? What is that? What road is that, you think? You think that's Glenridge? Glendale? Or Glenridge? Brock Hill?
It's just like imagine taking a picture of a plant. It's so
the lone zone right now.
Yeah.
You know, the Lone Ranger zone.
Can't really see what I'm doing.
We got some people. Wait till they come up. We haven't even seen them. I think they're doing walking. Is your dog's name Walter? Maverick, okay. Yeah. Is he friendly with other dogs?
100%.
Mountain dog and mountain dog. Wow.
How old are they?
This one's Toby. He's 5.
Oh, okay, only 1.5.
Wow. Yeah,
Hear Toby growl?
yeah, he's growling.
Oh.
He's like, you know, set his ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 5.
Yeah.
Wait, how long? Like, where'd you find him?
St. Anne's.
Yeah.
St. Anne. Wait, how long? Like, where'd you find him? Hello. I always usually walk her like this after a while. I forgot that you had my phone. Ooh. You can tell that youngling, eh?
His tail wasn't as scruffy as Toby's. Well, yeah.